my life. Thank you for all the blessings you've given us at sa mga blessings na ibibigay at patuloy niyo pang ibibigay sa amin. Tapos kay Mayor Som, thank you po talaga. Thank you, as in. Lalo na po sa napakagandang kanta niyo. Thank you po. And of course, to Kuya Eman, sa makeup artist ko po. Kay Kuya Christian, yung hairstylist ko po. Thank you for making me more gorgeous tonight. Tapos, to my two lovely coordinators, thank you po ate. Thank you po. Thank you for assisting me. Tapos po, to Kuya Philip and Kuya Crisando, thank you po talaga. And of course, to Sir Johnny, our MC.
Wow!
Thank you for being here with me po. Tapos sa band po, sa banda. Thank you po. Thank you. And of course, kay Mom Leslie. Thank you for all the effort just to make this venue mesmerizing. Ang ganda-ganda po talaga. At sa mga tumulong po to make this venue stunning. You all did not just a good job, but a great job. Thank you. To my loved ones, to my tito, tita, hindi ko na po sila iisay kasi aabutin tayo ng umaga sa sobrang dami kong kamag-anak. And especially sa mga tita ko na nanggaling pa talaga sa Maynila para lang i-celebrate tong birthday ko. Thank you. And of course, to all my friends na pumunta pa talaga dito para lang talaga samahan akong i-celebrate tong napaka-memorable day. And syempre makakalimutan ko ba yung mga bisita ko? Syempre hindi. Thank you all for lending me your time to celebrate this memorable event in my life. And the memories we shared today or tonight, this I will forever cherish. Thank you. And above all, but last but not the least, Mama, Papa, thank you. This won't be possible kung hindi dahil sa inyo.
Tissue mo. Ching. Meron na. Ay, sorry po.
How could I thank my parents for giving me the life? Giving us the life they never experienced. The life they ever wanted. Thank you is not enough to say and express how thankful I am to the both of you. Wala ako kung wala kayo. And if reincarnation is real, I will still gladly and wholeheartedly choose and wish to be your daughter again. Sabi nga sa kanta ng Ben and Ben, tayo pa rin sa susunod na habang buhay. Thank you for everything. Wait a little longer, Mama and Papa. Someday ako naman po. Kami naman po. I can wait na dumating yung araw na we will be the one na to give the life you both deserve. I love you both. Mahal ko po kayo. Sobra pa sa sobra. I may not say this much, but I appreciate all the things na ginagawa niyo para sa amin. Lahat ng paghihirap niyo po, na-appreciate po namin yun. Na-appreciate ko po yun. And I am thankful. No, I am grateful na kayo ang binigay sa akin ni God. always do and always will be your princess.
Yay!
Facebook ka rin ang message ni